Q8523. The 100-hour inspection required by federal aviation regulations for certain aircraft being operated for hire may be performed by a. Persons working under the supervision of an appropriately rated mechanic, but the aircraft must be approved by the mechanic for return to service. B. Appropriately rated mechanics only if they have an inspection authorization. C. Appropriately rated mechanics and approved by them for return to service. The correct answer is C. The 100-hour inspection required by federal aviation regulations for certain aircraft being operated for hire may be performed by appropriately rated mechanics and approved by them for return to service. An inspection authorization is not required for the 100-hour inspection, but the mechanic performing the inspection must be appropriately rated and must be satisfied that the aircraft is airworthy and meets all applicable airworthiness standards before approving it for return to service. Q8524. A person working under the supervision of a certificated mechanic with an airframe and power plant rating is not authorized to perform a. Repair of a wing brace strut by welding. B. A 100-hour inspection. C. Repair of an engine mount by riveting. The correct answer is B. A person working under the supervision of a certificated mechanic with an airframe and power plant rating is not authorized to perform a 100-hour inspection. The inspection must be performed by an appropriately rated mechanic or a person with an inspection authorization. Repair of a wing brace strut by welding or repair of an engine mount by riveting may be performed by a person working under the supervision of a certificated mechanic with an airframe and power plant rating. Q8525. Certificated mechanics, under their general certificate privileges, may a. Perform minor repairs to instruments. B. Perform 100-hour inspection of instruments. C. Perform minor alterations to instruments. The correct answer is B. A fully certified mechanic is permitted to conduct a 117-hour check of instruments, but they are not permitted to be repaired or altered. Q8526. An Airworthiness Directive requires that a propeller be altered. Certificated mechanics could a. Perform and approve the work for return to service if it is a minor alteration. B. Not perform the work because it is an alteration. C. Not perform the work because they are not allowed to perform and approve for return to service, repairs, or alterations to propellers. The correct answer is A. A certified mechanic with a power plant rating is qualified to carry out the work specified in an AD on a propeller that only needs a little adjustment. The mechanic can authorize the propeller's reinstatement to service when it complies with the AD. Q8527. The replacement of a damaged vertical stabilizer with a new identical stabilizer purchased from the aircraft manufacturer is considered a. Minor alteration. B. Major repair. C. Minor repair. The correct answer is C. A minor repair is the replacement of a damaged vertical stabilizer with an identical new stabilizer bought from the aircraft manufacturer. If the item can be bolted on and no riveting or welding is necessary, the repair is minor, according to the general rule of thumb for assessing whether a repair is small or substantial. There might be exceptions to this generalization.